All right. Problem number 6 from the review. Is k squared minus 5k minus 2 equals negative 2. And we're going to solve by factoring. Okay. So we're going to add 2 to both sides, because remember, the first step, whether we solve by factoring or we use a quadratic formula, we need to make it look like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Got to make that right-hand side equal 0. So that equals 0. Oh, hey, look. So is this. Uh-oh, that's something new. Now, this is actually pretty easy. So when you get something like this, we don't necessarily need to write down the 0. In other words, you could say k squared minus 5k. Man, my handwriting is really getting bad on this tablet. That's a 5 equals 0. Can I factor out a k from both of those? In other words, if I say k times k minus 5 equals 0. And whenever I factor something out, I always go back and double check. What's k times k? K squared. What's k times the negative 5? Negative 5k. So that works. Now, when we get it to the prime factorization, we still set it equal to 0. So in other words, this is going to be k equals 0 and k minus 5 equals 0. So what I'm doing is I'm setting this equal to 0, and I'm setting this equal to 0. So my first solution is 0, and then over here I got to do a little algebra. I'm going to add 5 to both sides, and I get k is equal to 5. So my two solutions are k equals 5 and k equals 0. I don't know why I said it backwards. How do I know if I'm right? Graph it. So I'm going to go into Desmos. I type in the original equation they gave me, except I can't use k. I got to use x's, right? So x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals minus 2. Looks right to me. Did you just clap your hands? Looked like you were like, hey.